The first time, I felt different from other girls my age. Were at a train station. I got off the train and started looking for my friends. Then I heard someone say, "That's the soccer girl from Hoa Học Trò team. She plays really well." I looked back. A few people were staring at me. And honestly, I lift my head a little higher and keep walking like a real star. Back then, women's soccer in Vietnam was still very new. Girls who played soccer was often used, especially girls like me.